Atuyanyora senchira yobwekeranu erietaliane Ishmael Mogere asomo chakaro botukubabone serikali ya county ya Kisii inse yoburaibu mu governor Paul Simbarati yekubwaterana ekyombekiana kada nigo yachakire bene mirubiri yokubwaterana abamenye be county ya Kisii iguru yobuya bogwetanga kurwaso gotumekibwa mariwago yogotindia buna amarwa enyasore kisigara amone ebinde ebinge ayaniga achira magega yogotindwa basaye nabo igobwengi bwa moro comment kanemie county ya Kisii abwaseri tukuri arero bayiro basemi obwo gochiase abamenye bensemo yebunge ya South Grango imeye wodi ya Getenga amoneria ya Muticho Wycliffe Orenge na rugotwegurira ubutko bwabono no roboti urwase obwagari
Nchira yemo yogotinye tsegi yobwangi obone ando gotumekibwa mariwago yogotindia anigimegatiya basaye imeye county ya Kisii bono nige serikali ya county ya Kisii inse yoburaibu ya mugabana Paul Simbarati ikubwaterana nekyombekiyo kurwane mariwago yogotindia kyana kada yachakirie sabali yokurubo seme gochia asamenye be county ya Kisii mechi wade abo asentukuli rero oboseme obwairwa asensemo yabungi ya South Grango imeye wodi ya Muticho amoneria ya Getenga.
And I work for Nakada as the county coordinator for Kisii and Nyamira counties. So today, our coming here is very important to us, both as Nakada, but also as county government of Kisii, because we have partnered with the county government of Kisii through the Department of Culture, and particularly under the Liquor Control Directorate, so that we sensitize locals. We talk to people about alcohol and drug abuse, which is deeply rooted here. It's a big problem, and it is a growing concern for both government and also for local populace.
Bako kuona somo sangarekano yo nigo ababisa kurwa ase county ya Kisii wizara ya culture youth affairs ama na agenda bera lake bwikirano igoro yega ngenene eyeredete ogochakigwa kumurobyo yo.
Nkoro ku Caroline Nyachero Menge ngokore county department ya culture abwase go sponsor program yega ya Nakada. It's in collaboration with the national government, lakini etwanyereta rero igabugirango kwegeria abasaye baito iguru yobobe bwa marioga yega yogotumeka madawa ya kulevya amarua kisigara nemdem ebinge biri byonsi ipi bigo siria ubugimobi yabwa basaye baito
ananake nigo mobisa kurwa Nakada atebabuna saye kurwa soro wangurwa gusi nigo barorekanira gwetso yasubutume kwa mariwago yogotindia ekiane nake kyaretiro bwoba ase kyare kyabono na yokukania nkoreo buno boseme buboru gochia sebare elinde gokiania omubaro yo.
We have seen young people that are hopeless, that are becoming zombies, that are becoming useless rather, as a result of illicit alcohol and the rampant smoking of bhang and other drugs of abuse. So that is why we have come here to speak to locals here in South Mugirango, and so that we get to sensitize ourselves, remind ourselves that which we need to know, but also very importantly, so that we come up with strategies of how we are going to address the problem of alcohol and drug abuse moving forward.
Nigo baya kira serikali ya county ya Kisii buna mbiyo mwana bigema asogo chake umurobiro yo na bakako kosemere buna omubaro manene bwa basaye nigo rachiko konyaka kurwa sobo semi ogu eri gotori getsaku.
So I want to take this very important platform to really thank the county government of Kisii for agreeing to work with us, to partner with us, so that we address this problem collectively.
Igo in a special way totete wakero mugambi to Simbarati biyamona sana sengencho wanchiro muroberi buno yo chichega igase amashinani sub county asota ikonyora abasaya senchira yo bugango lakini rero to facilitate to achirega iga oisa korigerere nanye ne chibicha origerere nanye t-shirt origerere the organization abante baigwete biya, and if we continue no muroberi buno yo iga nabatogo ikera abana bali batagete gosira bali bakonywa amarua batari kwenda chiskuru basoira so konywa mariogo asengencho yokwegeri gubuno okwega
bono nigo yatwira sabasaye na bali bonsi bawo koro bonchiriri bwa mariogo yogotinde me county ya Kisii obwate bosemi obuna bwetanga kurwa so bonchiriri obwo buna nchira ya yokoba abengencho asesegia mariogo yogotindia. Inkoripoteri ya Nsoko TV korwa South Mugirango county ya Kisii eretaliane Wycliffe Orenge.